Forge kickstarting Christmas. It's the actual Amelia Lily.
I'm really, really good right now. This crowd has been amazing.
That's Christmas!
You should be proud of yourselves.
How does it feel to be in Scotland, especially with a crowd like this that are so in love with you? I love you!
It's been amazing. Just to hear you guys sing along my song.
And obviously we're here to kickstart Christmas, but you had another special day a couple of weeks back. It was Amelia's 18th birthday, so we thought, just as you're in Scotland for a short time, we'd send you back because we've all prepared this, we've all rehearsed, haven't we, guys?
We've been practicing!
So we thought, because she's here for one of her first appearances after her 18th, we would start by saying, Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
What did you do for your birthday? Did you celebrate in style?
I had a bit of a messy birthday party, I'm not gonna lie, but I had fun.
And what an incredible year to turn 18. I mean, things have just been crazy. Does it feel like a year ago since you were doing the X Factor?
It feels like 5 minutes ago since I did the X Factor, and I've watched it every single week this year. I just can't believe how far I've come.
And do you know someone else who can't? Because we've just been chatting to Amelia's mum, who's just over there, and said that she said she could cry every time Amelia's on stage. And obviously Alfie got such an amazing crowd as well. Are you going to help her switch on the lights in 2 seconds?
I'd love to help switch on the lights.
Listen, I'm sure everyone is curious to know, when you were on X Factor and you were working alongside Kelly Rowland, was she lovely? Have you heard from her? Are you guys still in touch?
Yeah, I speak to her quite a lot actually. She rang me up on my birthday, she's wishing me luck with the singles. She's absolutely amazing, such an inspiring woman as well.
Fantastic. And who do you think is going to win X Factor this year?
James Arthur!
Whoa, Rylan?
Oh, you've got a little bit of Ireland style, it's quality, yeah.
I think, are we sticking with James Arthur, everybody? Popular choice. We've got the guys coming up from Glasgow Rocks as well.
Yeah.
EJ and Sterling, get yourself back on stage, guys.
Everybody help us turn on the lights here. How you doing, guys? Just want to come to either side of Amelia.
And we need you to help us with the countdown as well, guys. We're not going to practice this one because we don't want them going off too early.
Santa as well. If anybody needs to bring Santa on.
Santa Claus himself.
Santa and his gorgeous helper in Santa.
Make some noise for Santa!
You boys and girls know you all have to be very good or Santa will not come. Who wants Santa to come to the house this year?
Don't forget the fireworks straight after this. We're heading outside. The fireworks kick off at 6 p.m. We're giving you plenty of time to get outside. And what an incredible night. Not only have we got the Glasgow Rocks here today after a massive success, Santa Claus, Santa's Helpers, and Amelia Lily live at the Forge, everybody.
Is there anything in particular you're hoping for that Santa Claus will bring you this Christmas time?
Another dog, I've already got 2, but I'm
Your dad, he's got
my
the
dog's
tiniest
around here
dog.
somewhere.
Yeah,
She's
he's over
around
there. Your dad with the tiniest dog I've ever seen ever. Where's the dog?
There she is.
I think we should bring her
Should we
in.
see the dog?
Let's get the dog over.
She is over there.
Pass it over. I'll go get him.
Just so you know as well, guys, for the real star clearly gets here, it's outside Duns for the fireworks. Make your way outside Duns, we've got plenty of time. And some amazing fireworks. Right.
Here she is.
I think we need a big oh. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, what's his name, Amelia?
She's called Elfie, after the Green Witch Elphaba in Wicked the Musical.
Oh, I look at, she's got like a little love heart for no one that can see a little love heart. Oh, she loves you. I bet there's loads of guys that wish they were that dog right now today.
Amelia, how long have you had her? Did she watch you in the X Factor?
She didn't. I only got her about 4 months ago. She's only 7 months old, so she's a baby. But I want another one already.
And Adele mentioned Kelly Rowland. Are you still in touch with, of course, they came first, Little Mix. I mean, what an
Of
incredible...
course I am. They're actually performing tonight in the X Factor, and their songs are
I think it's time we turn on the lights.
yeah.
Can you help us count from 5?
Okay, guys, we're going to get Santa and Amelia round on the plunger. Ready for the countdown. Let's gather around, guys.
Let's get the Glasgow Rocks out and Amelia.
Glasgow Rocks, let's huddle round. Amelia, get your hand on and we're going to start the
Oh
countdown.
my god.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We'll see you for the fireworks. Once again, on behalf of Capital FM.
Thank you so much for joining us. Big thank you to Amelia and Ellie.
Let's make some noise.
To Santa Claus and for all you guys for coming. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic Christmas.
It's Gary Adele from Capital. Let's get outside for the fireworks. Let's make some noise once again for Amelia.